Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off user account control on your Windows 11 computer. From a security standpoint, I generally wouldn't recommend this, but Windows gives you the option to turn it off. And for whatever reason, I will show you guys how to turn that off in today's tutorial. And it's going to be very straightforward, and we're going to go ahead and jump straight into it. We're going to start off by opening up the search icon down in our taskbar. Appears as a little magnifying glass, so go ahead and left click on that. Type in user account. Best match should come back with change user account control settings. Go ahead and open that up. If you want to just turn it off entirely, just toggle this to the never notify position. So just drag it down to set never notified and then select OK. Select yes, and that's it. So generally I would not recommend turning it off just because it's an annoyance, but I would like to have a better reason to turn it off, which I'm sure you guys might have. And since Microsoft makes it very easy to turn it off, I figured I'd just make a tutorial on how to do it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.